forget to click on that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with all the videos we post in future from totsandmoms.com. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to Tots and Moms. I'm Kavita Prashant and today we'll learn how to make sweet potato pancake. This is just a 2-ingredient pancake and it makes a great finger food ones who are just trying to eat themselves right now. And for kids, this can be a great healthy snack box item. And let's dive right in and see how to make these. Let's take a pressure cooker and I'm taking washed sweet potato and then I'm adding water sufficient enough to pressure cook it. We can even pan cook it by chopping them. It would take about 10 to 15 minutes if you are cooking it on a low flame. You're pressure cooking it for about 2 to 3 whistles now. Once done, allow it to cool down and then you can take them and remove the skin. This comes out very easily, and once done, pass it to a neat bowl, a stiff one which will help us to mash it easily with the help of a fork. No need to use any blender or putting it into a mixer, otherwise it becomes too soggy and mushy. This is the best texture of sweet potato. Now I'm adding cinnamon powder. It is optional. As I said, it is just a 2-ingredient recipe and enough, but if you want more flavors you can add cinnamon powder or cardamom powder. I'm adding whole egg here, and if you are making it for babies, that because it can be given to 8 months and above babies, as said in the beginning, you can just add egg yolks for babies below an year and whisk it well until it forms a neat batter. You can add sugar at this time if you are making for toddler or kids. Any palm sugar or jaggery is fine as well. Pancake batter is now ready. On a hot tawa, I'm adding ghee or butter. A spoonful of batter I'll keep adding to make bite-sized pancake. If you want it to be a big one, no problem, it comes out easily too. You can just pour in a bigger spoon of batter in the middle and cook it both the sides. Or you can even shape it as your baby likes. Using any cookie cutter in the middle, pouring in batter inside it would be great as well. Drizzle little more ghee or butter which will help it cook. Cover it and cook it on medium flame. This is an optional step. If you don't want to cover it and cook, it's absolutely fine, but it cooks softer when you use a lid. After 2-3 minutes, as I'm cooking it on very low flame and as it is given for baby, I'm cooking it on low flame and then flipping it to cook both the sides. You can see them getting brown. On the other side, cook it for 1 more minute and it should be all ready to be served. You can pass it to your kid's favorite bowl and serve it to him. An optional step is you can add honey or drizzle chocolate sauce over this to make it yummylicious. So our sweet potato pancake, which is soft and yummy, is all ready for your baby or toddler or kid. Sweet potato is rich in vitamin A, calcium and folate, and hence it makes a great nourishing snack food for them, finger food for them, or anything you want to make it for lunch or dinner as well, because this is not too heavy food. So if you like this recipe, if your little one liked it, don't forget to click on that like button and comment and let us know how you like this 2-ingredient recipe, and we'll see you soon in yet another recipe. Take care of yourself till then. Bye bye.